In this video, I am going to show you how to change and add profile picture in Outlook. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. The first thing you need to do is open up Outlook. Just go ahead at the top left where it says File, then go ahead, click on it. After you click on it, you will find the option to change picture right here, right next to account settings, but if you don't find it, don't worry. You can go ahead to Google Chrome or your browser, then type in Microsoft account. Just make sure to type everything correctly. Then access it. After that, just click on the first link. Then click on Sign In to sign in to the account you want to change the profile picture of. Then click on your info. After that, just give it some time to load. And here you can add a photo. Click on it, then scroll down, then click on Add a Photo. After you add the picture you want, it will be also available in your Outlook account. So if you go back after you do that, you are going to find this here. So this was an easy process video. As always, thank you for watching.